Hello guys. Today's video is on the top 5 best metal detectors in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. Don't skip any single of frame. Watch till the end. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. The first metal detector on our list comes from Garrett. A lot of our most popular detectors are from Garrett, but let's focus on the 250 here. It is the most popular detector being sold in the world at the time of writing. Although this isn't the detector I'm currently using, it is something that I used for over 5 years whilst I was learning the ropes. It is a fantastic bit of kit, ideal for the entry level. It offers everything that you need. Most will provide kits that also give you an accessory that you could need. The ACE 250 weighs less than 3 pounds, whilst also very comfortable for you to use. It is targeted at people who are new to the hobby. It also has enough features to keep experienced treasure hunters happy. So don't let the fact that it is targeted to entry-level persons put you off. It kept me going for 5 years. Some of these features include adjustable sensitivity and depth settings, pinpointing, custom notch discrimination, 6.5x93 ACE coil. This is my current choice for when I go out metal detecting. If you've been following this blog for a while, you know I started out with the ACE 250. Consider the Garrett ACE 400 the bigger brother to the 250. It is more expensive, however you get more features, and is the natural next step for any avid detector. In my personal experience, this is the best metal detector I've personally owned. This model comes with a similar layout to pretty much all the ACE range from Garrett. Doing this keeps things simple. At this level there is no need to make things overly complicated. It also makes the transition much easier. Fitted with the iron resolution, this is an added feature that helps you figure out whether you're detecting trash or a coin. For example, the amount of time I've wasted even as an experienced detector by digging up trash. The best Fisher has to offer the newest release from the well-respected Fisher brand, so you know it's going to be a quality product. Fisher has started to make a real name for themselves with the technically brilliant products. Everything they release has great specifications. The Fisher F4 is no exception. Able to detect metal 15 inches underground, that is truly remarkable. Luckily it will tell you roughly how deep also. Sometimes you may just not be in the mood to go down that deep. When using this product we were able to figure out what metal we were digging up way before we even decided if it was worth it. It is the auto-tune with ground balance feature that allows this. Garrett's waterproof detector, the first metal detector that comes with a water submersible coil. This is important for anybody looking in rivers or any pool of water. Most come with rainproof coils, but very few with fully submersible coils. This detector can be used up to depths of 10 feet. Enter the Garrett at Pro, which comes highly recommended to anybody who we've spoken to who actually uses this product. It looks the part too. Garrett has taken a step away from their traditional yellow and black color scheme with this, opting for all black. It looks sleek. The Garrett entry model, the ACE 150, is the base entry model of the ACE range. This is ideal for beginners who have no prior experience in metal detecting. It can't get much simpler to use. It comes with 3 buttons and also 3 different detection modes. The buttons are mode, sensitivity, and power. The power button explains itself. However, what is remarkable about this product is it is priced at the entry level, yet you're still able to adjust the sensitivity and also change between the 3 modes, which are silver, coins, and gold. Whilst you may not be able to see the battery levels like the other models featured in this list, it does come with a low battery indicator, so you know when you need to wrap up your hunt.